Hey, what's up, everybody? Hey, what's up? I'm gonna be showing you how to replace a rear turn signal bulb in your car. Most cars are this way. Most cars are the same way. There might be a little variations of one way or the other, but millions of vehicles out there. The rear turn signal bulb is replaced this exact same way. It's very simple. This turn signal bulb is out. So I'll show you how to replace that. It's the tail light and turn signal all in one bulb. We're gonna pop open the trunk. So we gotta get, there's this little plastic. The screws for the taillight assembly are going to be behind here. It's a little nut there. That just pops off. And it looks like we just have like finger wing nuts here. Pull out. Very easy. Alright, and then we'll just pull the taillight assembly out once we get those wing nuts off. And here's our bulb right here. If you want to unplug the whole assembly, that's this plug-in right here. Go ahead and unplug that. Then we'll take, she looks pretty, now the bulb's gonna be hot if it's been on, so you got our part number right there, 3057, and I think the boys at AutoZone gave us the wrong bulb. They gave us 3057 amber lights. 3057 ambers. They give you a fancy nitrile glove at AutoZone to put the bulb on. So you don't want the oils from your hand hitting the bulb itself. Alright, so we put an amber light in the tail. Don't do that. Don't do that. You always want to make sure you put the right bulb in there, but let's see if we can tell the difference. It's in a red light assembly. Tighten our wing nuts. It's very easy. You don't need much tools. I just don't have the regular 3057 right now, and we got to get that bulb in place. This just pushes in there. Then here's another wing nut. We got the blinkers working. Oh, we've got an amber bulb and a red light assembly. I don't know if you're going to be able to tell. You're probably going to be able to tell the difference at night. All right, well that's how you replace the rear taillight bulb. Just make sure you're using the right bulb. If it calls for a clear one, don't put an amber one in there.